stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back for another video. Today I want to discuss compound interest. Guys, let's not make investing any harder than what it has to be. Compound interest, it either rewards or it punishes those who know how to use it. So on this channel, I brought about a lot of different ways to make money. A lot of them are cryptocurrency related investments, a lot of DeFi projects where it's very easy to make $100 a day. First of all, the easiest way to make $100 a day outside of a job is to have an extra stream of income, whether you're working overtime or you're just hustling. Everybody needs to have an additional stream of income, right? But an extra stream of income is just the beginning. You want to grow your income streams. You want to diversify your income streams. So in this illustration, I just want to show how easy it is to compound your money. And we're going to make some figures that might be, a little stretch, or it might not be 100% accurate, but you'll get the understanding of the point of compound interest. So let's say if you put $100 in Beans or any of these projects that are on the channel. So if you put $100 in, 8% a day, and that's what Beans pays on average, sometimes less, sometimes more, but this is just for illustration purposes. And you didn't touch that money for 60 days. You reinvested it all every day. You start today. After 60 days, your initial investment is going to turn into 10K. And like I said, this is just for illustration purposes. No investment is going to be able to pay you every day the same, but this is just an example of the power of compound interest. And a lot of us just don't use it in our advantage. So if you start today, you'll see that you'll start, your first day you'll make $8. And then as you see every day, the drip just gets more and more. That same $100, you just continue to use it over and over again. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you've doubled your money. And then you just continue to go down, continue to reinvest. All the way to June, 60 days later, you started with $100. 60 days later of not touching any principal, you're at $750 a day. Even if you took out once a week in Beans or Ruby Mine for income, that's an extra stream of income that you didn't have previously. So we got to take our money and put it to work. Like, we can't just let our cash sit in the bank. That's what's killing us, inflation. Like, if you let your cash sit in the bank, it's going to become a struggle to go to the grocery store. You got to get your cash out of the bank and get it to working for you so you can start to live the way you really want to. We live in abundance on this channel. We're always trying to find different ways to make money. That's what this thing is all about. Creating passive income so you can live where you want to live, drive where you want to drive. This is the lab right here, baby. We're going to find different ways to make that money. So this is just an example that anybody can do this. You don't have to make a lot of money. You can just start wherever you're at. There's no excuses. We all getting income tax checks. Everybody have extra cash sitting around. It's what you want to do with your money. That's what it comes down to. So it's not an excuse. Anybody can put $100 in one of these platforms and continue to reinvest. But I'm not your financial advisor. I just want to give a quick illustration of compound interest and how it works again for you. And if you're not using compound interest, it's working against you. So it's either you're making it or you're paying it. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Let's get those likes up, guys. Share, subscribe, comment. And until next time, signing off.